Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here and there and here. So welcome back to my channel guys. Once again, today's vlog, it's another collaboration. It's another working with this brand named JUST4KIRA. So yeah, it's up to you, or let's find out. And so you better stay with me, stick with me, and let's find out what's this Shakira. Just for Kira. As you can see, it's just for Kira. So I'm working with and collaborate with Just for Kira. It is a colored contact lenses that it has like varieties of colors that, you know, your whatever your preferences color that you want to wear, or it's depend on the occasion or whatever makes you beautiful, and they have it all. So without any further ado, let's get the ball rolling. So yeah, stay with me and bear with me, and we're gonna unbox this together, and in the middle of this content we're gonna also try it on how it looks like on my big eyes. So yeah, as you can see, I already have a big eyes, but to emphasize, to make it like more glowing, more tantalizing eyes, so we're gonna use in contact lenses. And I'm into contact lenses, you know. I love makeup, and back in the Philippines I used to, for a living as a makeup artist. Aside from being a beauty queen, we love to wear contact lenses for photo shoot, for event. So yeah, this is to all my friends out there, this is really important, or a must to have this kind of contact lenses. So this is just for Kira, and stay tuned and bear with me because we're gonna unbox this together. Very good. This is their backs, and I love their backs that they put in. So I have four contact lenses with in different variety of color, and there you go. Let's open this together. This is how it looks like, and there you go. So it has here, thank you, how to participate, and very simple. So how to remove your contacts, and also how to put in your contacts in the lenses in your eyes. So you know, these are the instructions. So I'm pretty sure if I can, you can do it as well. So let's have this one I have here. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. So I have four pairs, and one of them is this one is colored what you call this one? This one is Norco brown. So as you can see, I love this one because it's really matched my brown hair. So I'll wear this one first. So this is the pair of the first one is Norco brown. So this is it. Oh my god, look at their packaging. This is amazing. So it's like rainbow, it matches my nails. So yeah, this is the other one. This is it, and soft contact lenses. So it's last for a year, but this one is half a year, so expire in half a year upon using. So there you go, and that's it. So every lenses it has comes with different packaging, and this one also, it's soft contact lens miracle color. Look at that, I love it. It's pink, and it has like bling bling on it. Oh my goodness, I super love there. I never had this kind of packaging of a contact lenses back then. This is like awesome and wonderful. Thank you, Just for Kira. And this is miracle color. Mirage is not miracle, correct me if I'm got wrong. So this is mirage color, and this one is Norco. Looks like kind of blue, that has like black on the edge, or the pupil, or the towards the retina. And This one is the other one is Norco green. I love it. You know, when you have a green eyes, it's like awesome. So yeah, I usually like with brown color or hazel brown. Let's see, this is green, so we will find out and try it on and how it looks like. Okay, so bear with me. Let me put here so that you can see the brand. It's wonderful. You can see. This is the Norco brown, looking good. Oh my goodness, I super love this one. It's Norco brown. Let me put this one. So that's Norco brown. It's very easy to wear, you know. This is how you remove your contact lens. That's it. Open your eyes widely. There you go. Easy. So this is the blue one, Norco. I love this one. So this is blue, the Mirage color. This is blue right there. Mirage color, it's Norco, but it's blue. It's good. Love it. So this is the Mirage color. Soft contact lenses. They're not, I've been to a lot of contact lenses, but this brand is awesome. This is wonderful because when you wear them, it's lightweight into your eyes. It's not that it's comfortable to wear, you know. It's easy to wear. It's, you know, it's there you go. There's how to put your contact lens into your eyes. This is awesome. I love this blue eyes. This is blue. So this is green, Norco green, and it's nice too. As you can see. It's Norco green. Yeah. Oh no. Where's the Norco brown? Yeah, this is Norco green. This is Norco green. Looks good. So the last one is I think this is crystal brown. Yeah. Looks natural. So this is the crystal brown. This is the packaging. It's crystal brown. Love it. Looks natural.